Okay, we are back doing more koi koi. So let me see my own notes for myself because I don't remember. In a hot second. So yes, that's a like a UI thing. UI check at the start of the game. Okay, that's something I could do. Whip. Look at cryptical objects. Maybe it's, I also made a new command, which hopefully will be useful if anyone asks what the fuck I'm doing. Done. Done. So I've done that. I did that recommendation that June gave me. This is very useful. I didn't realize you could do this, but we shall see. I just forget about it most of the time. I think Bardaki also suggested that at some point, but I'm dumb. My memory is empty. Okay, so I think I was in the middle of doing this, and I wanted to make a enum. So once again, I don't remember how enums work. So unity enum. Okay, so let's just make this up here. See if I'm doing this wrong, but probably am. Enum Yaku selection. Check type. So I guess what? Bright. Endpoint. Boot. Plain. I don't know, is this a good way to do this? So bright. I guess viewing. I'm trying to think here. So there's bright viewing. There's the variations on the brights. So that could be fine. I could still check how many brights there are and check in the same thing. 10 point. Right. That's a viewing as well. 10 point is scroll. Oh, scrolls, right. I'm actually gonna have to try and think about this one a bit more. Scroll. So then this is just Yaku. Can I pull this out of this actually? Is that okay? Is that legal? I'll do this one, I suppose. So can this be Yaku type? Yaku type. Okay, so I want to just test if I try to do this. Can I swap you out? Can I do what is it even called? Count cards. It doesn't sound right, but sure. Count cards. What's the inputs for that? Count cards, min count. Yaku. I mean, do I need a min count? I could probably just do it based on the type. Yeah, fuck it, we'll leave it for now. 10. Yaku check type dot plain. Card. Let's see now if that works. I don't think it will, but who knows. Checking the Yaku type case. So what? I guess plain. I guess it's Yaku check type dot plain. I think. 10 point. Scroll. Oh shit. Guess this is. I didn't think about that. Let's just make that bright for now, and I guess viewing for now. And think about the logic for this because I don't think it works, but oh, public. Good name. I just want to see if I pull it, if I do a playing card. Do I have a playing card I can pull? I just want to see then. I didn't put any debug in to check that was done. Print test. I'm trying to think here. This test. Okay, cool. So it works. I keep trying to click on that one. I don't know why. I'm losing my goddamn mind. Losing my goddamn mind. Like this music. Okay, so this plane is 10 point. Suit. Scroll. Oh wait, I don't need finishing this. So this is what, blue scroll. No, that was the wrong one. Blue scroll. Poetry scroll. Poetry scroll. Wait, did I? No, scroll. So I need to make a new one of these for the bright. Bright. Is bright. I do kind of want these in a better order from my own sanity, just so that's somewhat consistent. So bright, I'm just gonna do them in highest order. I think it makes more sense. 10 points. Scrolls, all 3 scrolls. And then new suit. Okay. Okay, so let's have a look here. So I don't need this anymore. I need to check if it's Rain Man. I only need to check if there is a Rain Man. I only need to check that if there is bright. I also need to add the viewing thing. But okay, so I can grab. I think I can grab this, steal it, put it up here. Has Rain Man default. But this can be in the bright section, right? I think. think this makes sense. Yeah, that's fine. Yep. If that's the case, then I don't need this bright count anymore. What I do need to do then is pass count cards 5. I guess it's 3. Yaku check type bright card. Ooh. So I'd say that's a true. Let's see, I'm gonna have to recheck this later, but for now, this is fine too. I don't need this. I guess I don't need the print then either. I don't need these prints. I need to check. I need the. Ugh. How do I do this? What do I do? What do I do? What do I do? If get rid of this. Nope. So it count cards 5. Roll. No, it's a Yahoo check type. Roll card. And then up here, I need to do so it's count cards 3 type blue scroll. I haven't done any fucking things. Fuck. I always forget about the semicolons. Jeez, what am I'm losing my goddamn mind. Count cards. Red. No, poetry. Roll. Okay, so that checks both scrolls. This one too. So what I probably should do is pass like a bool out, I guess maybe. I'm not sure. Count cards. Fuck. How many cards do I need for that? Oh, I don't know how I did that. Give it back to me. I need 5. Okay. Count cards 5. Yahoo check card. 10 point. 10 point cards. Don't need this then either. Oh, I guess this one too. And then count cards. 4 suit. Yaku check type. suit. Okay, so what I just need to do then is I need to do some checks at the end here. Um, um, so I just want to see. I probably broken something now anyway. So what is this? Or did I forget? I really here. I mean, do I need the numbers? I could just do the type, right? I think here, the best. What's the best choice here? Because this is an extra check every time. Hmm. But I can't just do true or false. I need to get the overhead if there is an overhead. Let's just do this for a second. I want to see. Oh. Oh, right. These don't work now. So, I guess what I needed this to spit out is the number for now. This probably isn't useful for right now. So this needs to actually spit out an int. Return counter, right? Int right count equals that. Int count that. Int poetry scroll. Oh. Poetry scroll count with that. Don't think I have to like make the values do something, right? No? Okay. Why do I need a min count? I could just get the actual count. I don't need min counts. Do I? No, because I think I'm trying to do this too much together. I don't need a min count. I just need an actual count. Yeah. Okay. I don't need that. I just need what the actual number is. And I can fact check that against the rules later. Okay. I guess print. I guess I could just do print on all of these. I'm not going to do that many. I'm just going to do those two just to see if everything works as intended. I think here that goes with that. 1, 2. Okay, let's get rid of these prints for now. So it seems to be working anyway. So, so then I need a new script, which is score cards, yeah. Count cards and then score cards. Oh, what is this? I think this is just letting me know. Oh yeah, you're streaming. Thanks, game. Thanks, game. Thanks, phone. So what I think I need to do now is let's just try and do this on the bright derivative. So if I make a new script that takes in that takes in the type Yaku check type Yaku type and then takes in an int counted cards, right? So let's, for example, let's just do this here. If I wanted this bright to be done, how would I want that? So I would want score cards. I would want this. And I would want this. Right? So if I have that, then I know it's a bright. And so then I could do a switch once again. Oh geez, what the fuck is going on with this show? What? I don't know what's going on here. That right. So then if it's a bright, I know it's bright in this case. I just steal this, right? If yeah. If counted cards. Let's just for now has Rain Man equals false. Right? Does that make sense? But I don't need this at all. I don't need this line. I could run the count, I guess, from this. Trying to think here. I guess I could just, yeah, no, it's an if, so it'll just stop, right? I need to add a break at this though, right? And fuck, I got rid of the thing again. I'm a nonce. I'm a nonce. I need 5. I mean, let's do the blue. Let's do these scrolls, right? So if I want this, I would do scroll. No, score. Whoop. Score cards. Yaku check. Dot scroll. And then I would just grab this, right? I think putting them in like this probably isn't a good idea, but I can fix that later. So if it's a scroll, okay, so this is just scroll. What are the rules for scrolls? If it's any 5, greater than or equal to 5, print let's see if I remember how to do this now. Do that, and then it's 1 point. Well, it's actually what it is it's counted cards x scrolls equals 1 plus this is some math I need to do now, right? It's counted cards minus 5 additional points. What's going on here? There's one missing, right? Red. Can I just do this? Do I need these in here? I think that's fine. Oh, let's go back one more as well. Right, so if it's over 5 or more, it's just that. Okay, that clears that up a lot. Same with plain. It's just 10s instead. Plain. 10. Planes. That's just 1 point as well, right? 1 point plus 1. Yep. Minus 10. But I need to do the outscore thing again. So this 4 cards. Yaku type the plane. Do that. Let me do this, and then this is the same. But it's now suit. Ooh. Okay, Control F. Magic. Suit. County cards is equal to 4. Print. 4 points. 4 points. All of one suit. 4 points. Okay. I'm just trying to think. I could run Rift. I could run it in each of these. I think. I'm trying to think. Like, if that's 5, it's 15. I think how to do this. We'll come back to the bright cleanup in a second. But then this is 10 point, so just do this again. I don't know. I could do this score. This one. 10 point. So for 10 points, it again it's wait, did I not do that? I did it for scrolls. I see. Let's grab you. Counter cards equals 5. 10 point cards. Yep, that works. So I actually just want to move this up. Okay. Okay. Now this is some extra nonsense that I have to check. Dude, calling this twice doesn't make any sense. Should just probably be able to pass in the type. I think what makes sense for this. I don't know how much of this is helping. I think I'm just spreading it out, which might make it worse, to be honest. This definitely makes more sense to have the for each within. That definitely makes more sense. Maybe a fucking bitch to do though, but it makes more sense. Which is okay. Paste and yeah, everything goes off under that by 1. That. Or you do that. Right. One. I think here, so because I don't need to do the check then every time. Well, I need to do this check, but I don't need to do this check. That's just wasted. I don't think it's much of an issue, to be honest. But fuck. Okay. I need to do this again. Okay, so that I just need to change these two. It is scroll. Okay, so swap that over to is blue scroll. Right, and then this is suit. I might just grab this line actually. Do this one a little bit lower. Boom, 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 boom. Screw. Yeah. plain. It's plain. Yeah, so that cleans that up a little bit. It's not a huge difference. I know it's a little bit more awkward that these 4H's are getting used everywhere, but can I return? Yo, wait, maybe I don't do that. What if I just do a Yaku check of every card? What if I just return a list with all the numbers in it? I'm trying to think here. Does that make sense? So we just get a count of everything. It's slightly inefficient, but it's going to be faster. Just like, would that be more legible? I'm trying to think here. So I just because right now I'm counting every card, and I'm doing these counts every time. I'm only counting the cards that are useful, I suppose. What do you think, Sharky? What do you think? Because if I count every card, right? For example, if I got let's say I got a bright, a poetry, and a plain. I got 3 cards. Sure, it's not possible, but sure. If I got those 3 cards, that would be 3 different checks that have to go through this. But if I just count every card, I would be checking multiple different lists. But I would be going through every card anyway. I think that makes more sense. I still think this works. Make it so that you track the counters for every card in one, for every type of card in one go, and then do the compare. Compare would be based on what cards you have. I think that makes sense. Okay. Let me think about this. So, if I want to do that, I grab a 4 each. Let's just think about it. Grab a 4 each. Sure, it's totally out of whack for some fucking reason. Do that. 4 each. No, these are super far. Okay, so if check card is bright, Hmm. 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 What if then? Okay, I'm gonna move this down. That's what that. So if I make int bright count equals 0, int roll count equals 0, int 10 point 0. This would be not capitalized. Oh, I didn't finish that one. Int plain count equals 0. Okay, I might need to look into dictionaries. Is that what I think? That's what I need in this situation? Dictionary unity? just gonna grab this. This makes sense. Oh, jeez. Yeah, don't even look at that. That's definitely not gonna work. Okay, if I go up here, I want to see. If I make a dictionary called let's say counts. I don't want it to be a string. I want it to be an int. How do you add things to a dictionary? Can I do that? So then, I guess, Unity. Man, Unity's fucking thing for this is atrocious. It's so useless. I do then counts dot. I do like counts dot add. Right count 0. So then what happens if I do counts dot right count? Can you can change values in a dictionary? Unity. If I do count dot right count, can I do this? Is that allowed? Oh wait. Equals. Wait, can I do that? I don't think so. If a dictionary is an int, can you plus here. Think what? Let me see here. Add that, and then can I do that? Where's the rest of these errors? I want to try. Can I do that? Let's save this, I guess, and turn this back to void for now. What's wrong with you? Look. something, didn't I? What did I do wrong? Hmm? Hmm? What? Oh, okay. Good. Let's ignore that one for now. What about you? Sure. Um, None of these are gonna work. Fuck. Good. Void? What? Did I fuck you somehow? No. I'm getting annoyed now. What's wrong with this? No. Still fucked. What? Why is this? Hmm? It is getting cold, right? Um. Anyway, it definitely does get cold. It's cold right here. I think I'm gonna have to just try and clean. Not valid for this item. Okay, so 1 second now. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do a big old. Wait, oh, is it because these are not spaced over? Are we good now? What? Okay, so what I don't need is you, I don't think. Cut you out. I think this makes more sense. And just pass the dictionary out. Um, um, Good now. Why is this not valid? What? Uh, Public void. Yaki check. Hmm. That doesn't. What? Okay, 1 second. I think I'm gonna have to just quickly restart. Um. Sure. Very confused. I'm very confused right now. I turn up my desktop road. Confused. Oh yeah, so I'm trying to think. If I just do a check of all of them once. That's probably faster than going through everything. I grab the whole list and then I check per card. Ignore. Okay, we're back. We're back. You still giving me errors now? Oh. What? Why is this? Guess what? Private voice? Work. What? Because yeah, I'm just gonna grab this for just a second. I mean, I don't know what's going on. I fucked something anyway. Okay, so let's just continue with this for now. Print. I want to print this. And I want to print it again. So then I just want to call this. I don't actually need this. I just need the card being checked. Right? I don't even need this right now. I can just count the cards. So, just call you Yaku check for now. We good? Very lost. So I need like default print error. What's wrong with you? What's going on? I fucked something. I don't know what I did. Okay, I'm gonna get rid of these. Also get rid of this, I guess. We good? I don't need you. Don't know what. So what I want to do is capture that. And ooh, can I capture that? Capture that. So I have one bright. So show 0 then 1. And I just need to capture another one just to have a test now. Still 0 then 1. So now it should be 2. 0, 1. Oh, it's printing it every time. Right. Okay, I get it. So then I think. Viewing what? Oh, that can't work. Let's do 10 point. Counts. What am I doing? Just add this loads of times. So what then? Scroll. Blue scroll. Why is that above that? That shouldn't be there. I kind of prefer blue being for that. Poetry scroll, right? So if I do a poetry scroll, one second. Feel very quiet. So I need that. I don't know why it's like that. We need suit. And then it's plain. Right? Yeah, it's coding time. Coding time. It's Morbin time. How you doing, Thorny? Hopefully your stomach ache's not as bad today. Okay, so if I do all of those or each, this is counting up. Oh, that's unfortunate that it's still there, but I'm glad it's not as bad. Hopefully you survived your work well enough today. Component is endpoint. Is the best way to do this? We Morbin? We Morbin. I still can't believe that actually happened, that they reopened that movie. Mental. It's bonkers. Bonkers, dude. How are you doing, Fox, though? How was your day? As well? All the peeps. So then we scroll. And then... yeah, I don't know. Like, just, like, what were they thinking, man? What were they thinking? Middle class person's salary. That's right. Oh, how was work? Well, I'm glad you're finishing up soon. Freedom is soon. Is blue scroll. And then blue scroll. I have gone back and forth on this so much, and I really do not know what the best way to do this is. We're trying to check to see what cards I have and what suits they're of. Let me think. So this is a shark, by the way. I don't have a rubber duck, so it's the closest thing I got. Because if I make one long dictionary, then I can just check against that dictionary every time, rather than I was like individually doing them. I think this is just so inefficient. I've also somehow completely fucked this code that if I let any of this open, it seems to break for some reason. So I have to remake all of that. Ooh. Yeah, it's sad times. But I think we're making some progress. Not as much as I kind of had hoped, but we're making some. So, so what I need now is if it's more just it's one of those things where like the logic for this is like it's difficult because if you were just playing this with like actual cards, it's super easy because you'd be like, I can physically see which card it is, but I need to be able to check which fucking one I'm looking at. Is plain, and then put this to plain. And then if I want another one of these, and I want it for the suit, so if the suit equals, so this is I do need the card being okay, so to check the suit is a pain. So suit. Okay, so this is an outlier. Hungry George is an outlier. I can't remember what that means. Outlier needs to be handled differently. So I can ignore that. But yeah, I made a command because I was like, people keep asking me what this game is, so hopefully this works. Hey, there we go. In case anyone is lurking and wants to know what the fuck I'm doing, that's what I'm doing. Good old Wikipedia coming in clutch. So I don't think I need to add suit here. And then what I need to return is can I return a dictionary? Return count. So that work? Or do I have to like return this? Is that what's going on? I have to do that. Like, okay. Nope. Progress? Okay. didn't crash and burn, so that's progress, I think. So I'm getting all of them. So like now that I know, okay, there's 5 brights, there's X whatever number of these, then I can try and score. So I don't need counted cards. I don't need this. And what I do need to do is I need to check the types of things I have. So this one I should probably do per card. Score card. And I think what could I do here? So I'm just thinking here, one thing I could do, because I'm doing it like based on this JSON list. I could make them like part of an enum. Right? JSON, please. So these different scrolls. Oh, I'm doing that based on their values. Ooh, okay, wait. What am I trying to do here? So if I want to score the cards, so that's the score. So this gets me. So this isn't actually. This is count captured cards. Right. So that's broken. So when I've counted all the cards that I've captured, and now I need to actually check them versus public void. Let's just say score cards. I have to remake this. So first of all, I guess I want captured. No, that's the wrong way. Captured count equals count captured cards. Right. So that gets me the captured cards. And I put it into this yoke, and then what I want to check is I actually want to check a value. So it's int card type. Right? Because these are all based on numbers. So score, it's actually not score cards, it's score card. So this is one card, pass it into type, and I can do all of this nonsense. Actually, what I probably want to do is I probably want to pass in the actual manager card, right? If I pass in the manager, then oh, ow, ouchies. I have all the counts now. So if I get the card, let's just see. Card dot value so if the value I think here. What I guess I could just do is bright, right? The same thing. Card dot is endpoint. Card dot is scroll. Card dot is plain. Right? If I get all of those. So if if that's true, then I want this, right? Captured counts. So then it's Yaku check type right. Look at that. So then I also need bool has brain man false for now. Right? I get the capture counts. No, makes it more legible. Right? So I guess before I keep going, I should make this a switch. Fuck. Wait, I can't do that. No, I can't do that. I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna leave this as it is, and if I have to change it into an if later, then sure. I don't know why this shouldn't be indented like this. I'm definitely not with this today. My brain is just fried for some reason. I don't know why. Is 10 point. Then I didn't even write one up for a 10 point. Awesome. Great. Sure. Do that. I don't need a break. Well, I do need a break. I don't need that specific break. So then it's this times 10 point. Better than that. So back as the dictionary, that's for an additional thing. Then I just do this again, I think. And I just swap it over to scrolls. Is scroll. Scroll. Green for some reason. Scroll. Scroll. I'm gonna do that again. Is 10 point. No, is plain. Plain. Okay. Okay. That's fine. I have 2 scrolls, that's why it didn't work. Yeah, I see. This needs to be 10 actually. 10. Um, we don't need this anymore. The Yaku trick seems to be working again. I don't know why. Okay, so let me think here. Okay, all the cards. If card up is bright. I guess I just need to make some specific I guess I could just add these, right? Counts. Add I need to add them up here though. I guess it's moon viewing. Moon viewing. Curtain. No, it's blossom viewing. I think it's called blossom viewing. Right. So then if I add those in, moon viewing 0. The whole list. I'm trying to think if I go through the whole list. Moon viewing should block once, and well, no, they should block twice. Curtain. Oh, that's blossom. I think it's technically cherry blossom viewing, but I'll stick with that now. And right, so if I check that, then if that is sake cup or is curtain cherry, no, not cherry blossom viewing, set up. Same with this one. Is moon. Right, this is the moon viewing. Right. Okay. So, and then else if. But I guess no, it is a bright. So if it's a bright, it will come in here. I need to do it up here. If card is sake, I think if it's sake, I need to check both. I'm trying to think, like, you could have the sake and the moon viewing and then pick up the curtain, which wouldn't give you the moon viewing. If it's a sake cup, you need to do both counts, but if it's and this is only if it's bright. I guess I need to do this. It's like a cup, and can I do this? I don't know if I can do this. Captured count Yaku. Oh, this is stupid. I'm gonna put this in that. Put this in another A. It's gonna be illegible otherwise. Yaku check type dot moon viewing or equal to 2 or blossom viewing. Oh wait, I fucked this. That one. Equal to 2. I guess I need to do an and first. Oh, what was that? What? That was weird. Okay, I got a weird sound effect for some reason. I'm trying to think if I guess what I would do is shouldn't do this. Oh, what? I can't type? What's going on? What? What the fuck's going on? Oh. What? I think I've just been hijacked. I don't know what's going on. Help. 1 second. I don't know what's going on. Okay, 1 sec. I can't do that. Can I turn off? How do I turn off filter keys? Party time. More like I can't type anything. I'm just trapped. Send help, guys. Send help. Like I'm looking at Google, and Google's like, "Oh, go to control panel." I can't. I can't type. It's not actually the project. I can't type at all. So, hello, Bardaki. You've come in at a great time. Somehow, filter keys is turned on, and I can't type anything at all. Oh, nice. Bill Larkin, how was your stream, Bardaki? Hopefully better than mine. Try to figure out how do I get. There has to be an easier way to get the. I do. I'm shook up, guys. I'm shook up. Like, listen to this. I'm gonna turn on my desktop so you can hear what's going on. Like, this is me typing, okay? For some reason, I just get this. Hold the right shift key. Okay. I don't know, gang. I might have to restart my computer. I don't know what's going on. Nope. That's just so you're aware, this constant ticking is me holding shift key, by the way. The right shift key. That's to turn it on. Is there a way to turn off? I don't know. I'm gonna be honest, but like, I just heard like a tick like a minute ago, and I noticed like I got a little pop up in my, the small, what's it, the taskbar tray? I can't remember what it's called. The system icon tray. That's what it's called, I think. And I have a new thing called filter keys on, but now I can't type, so I'm confused. To turn off, Control Alt Delete. I guess. Yeah. Well, I can't Control Alt Delete. I can't press any buttons. Settings. Okay, 1 second. Keyboard. Aha. Wait. You're a genius, Bardaki. You're a genius. Oh wait, I can't even. That was me mistyping. I don't know what the fuck that turned on. Yeah, I couldn't Control Alt Delete because I can't type. It's just I don't know what I did to do that. Turn it off. I was holding. I'm gonna have to Google. I mean, I did Google, but also I'm terrible. That was. Yeah, I mean, like, it's like filter keys. I don't understand. I couldn't type anything. I'm confused. I did. Wait, what did I not read? I tried to read things. You said press and hold right. Yeah, that's turned it on. And I couldn't press Control Alt Delete because I can't press those keys. I'm stressed, guys. I'm stressed. Okay. I have the screen back up. Anyway, that's good. All right, I turn this back up. You're a monster, Tony. How could you tell me to turn it on? You're a monster. You're a monster. You're so evil. So this is wrong. I shouldn't actually be checking to see if it's correct. I should just be checking to see. I should just check both differently. Do that. And then if the nice kind, Thorny, you're the nice kind. Why did I do 2? I don't need 2. Godzilla, Anaconda, King Kong. Okay. Yeah, the truest of monsters. I guess this. Wow. The Loch Ness monster. I mean, you could be any kind of monster you want to be. You know, don't let us tell you any different. Really forgot it. Okay. I didn't say anything, 30. I'm just repeating what. But yeah, I still don't know if this is the best method to do this because I need to track. I'm trying to think what the best way to do this is, and like, I don't probably need to be super efficient, but this feels crazy. But also, the methods I was using before seems kind of mental too. He's a surprise Pikachu face. This is just some red hot mess now. Oh, this is just wrong. If it's either of those. What am I trying to do here? If is moon, do that. If is curtain, do that. Yes. Okay, so I don't need this anymore. Moon has sake and his curtain. Those are all fine. Well, I need to add the curtain check, I suppose. That's in 10 points. So if card dot is sake cup, I need to just run both of these. But yeah, I don't know. I was having a look at that some of the scriptable objects things the scriptable object stuff you were talking about Bardaki as well, and I think I probably should look at doing that eventually. But I think I'm just going to go ahead with the JSON stuff because I think I can kind of port it over not too badly. Yeah. If I just get this dictionary, so one and done. I just get it once and it's done. So, but no, thanks for the suggestion because I looked at that stuff before, but I was kind of looking for the initiative tracker, and since that needs to update constantly, or not constantly, it needs to update every time you put something in. It was a bit like, I get this, and then I can do the whole score check, which is just this is just conditional checking, which like this goes. Yeah. But yeah, I hope you're. I'm glad you got some bugs squashed. I hope it didn't introduce any more. That's always how it sometimes, you know. You're like, I fixed this bug, and you get 10 more. It's like right. Yeah, yeah. True. It is dangerous to say stuff like that. Oh God. Hope that okay. Okay, cool. So you know, it's finding a bug that you didn't even know about, but not fixing it. That's the real tragedy. You're like, oh, I didn't even know this was a problem. Now I have to fix it. No, so I don't need this anymore. So I think I actually can just get rid of most of this. So this is has moon has curtain. Yeah, I can get rid of all of that. I don't even have this anymore. Let me think here. Cards captured this turn. So for each card captured this turn, I want to do a score check, right? I'm gonna think about this now because I've got shit all over the place and I'm kind of losing my mind. So I want to do scorecards. For every card, I want to score the card. So I just need to pass the actual card. Think that makes sense? Then I'm going to do this. I'm doing this count every time I draw the card. Which shouldn't make sense. I should just be able to do it all after getting the card. I'm trying to think here. When do I call the Yaku check? Here it's after all the swaps. Grab the two cards, then I put them back. Yeah, that's fine. Okay. So the Yaku check is coming after that. Where am I? Here. I actually don't want to get that dictionary right now. I want to pull this up here, I think. That's what I want to do. And then just put this. I don't need I can put it up here. Right. And then I can put capture counts. And do I guess I'll do the card. I don't want to keep doing that list, that dictionary for no reason. There's no point. So then I just need this. Int. No, what did I do wrong? Dictionary. Counts. There we go. Don't know if that's probably the best way to choose dictionary. I'm not really sure. Seems to make sense, right? Because I can just type in the words then. So then I don't need to do this either. I do need to check for the bores. So I guess this is a 10 point. So let me see here. If I want a 10 point, then I also want, I guess, bore, butterfly, here. I guess I should probably move these up to somewhere that makes sense. Counts. Add. Or here, 0. Then same with this. This again, but we'll just do 3 this time, which is super fucking long. Bore, butterfly here. So is bore is deer. No, not deck. Is deer, and then I just need another one of these. I think that should be good. And is butterfly. Okay. I don't know why I did that out of order. That was a bit weird, but okay. If it's 10 point, if card dot is stacking, nope, is here, card dot is butterfly, or card dot is or this this if cards or butterfly here equal to 3 butterfly here. And I do need to start making like an actual scoring system rather than just doing lots of fucking prints. I don't need this anymore. Yeah, looks like a cup. That's grand. I don't need this either. I have to check if one of the cards captured this turn was a bright. Yeah, that's fine. I should probably do the final connection if the echo has been met. Just trigger multiple times. That is true. This is still an issue. Need a better way of deciding when to turn on your screen. Could you make a list? Yeah, because it's one of those things where, like, you know, you're never going to do it, but you technically could score multiple Yakuza in a turn, so you should get an option of which one. I would, you know, obviously suggest the thing that gives you those points, but, you know, c'est la vie. So then I need to do these scrolls. So I need to do this, grab this. So blue scroll equals 3. Blue rolls. Red. Nope. Always 3 rolls. Oh, this needs to be 3 too. That's actually something, because there was the. I just want to check points wise. Is it just the 2 of them added up? Yeah, it's just the 2 of them added up. I don't need to mush them together. I can just add the points. Excellent. Add this things together. Okay, this does make sense. Yeah, fine. That's fine. Get rid of this. Get rid of this. Okay. And it's plain. I think I have plain. 10. No, I just need to check the suit. So that's the only thing that I haven't accounted for. Then lastly, this is something that I'll just have you have to just check per card. There's nothing I can do about it. So or eat. I'm gonna put a note here so I don't forget, I suppose. Suit is checked in the score card function since it's dependent on the card being scored. Okay, so the only thing I have to do now is I have to do this Rain Man check as well. So for each card outlier 9 equals card dot suit so then just do counter here in counter 0. Counter plus plus. And then do now if counter equals 4. Grab a print. 4. That's okay, Thorny. Thanks for hopping by. I hope you feel better again tomorrow. Go be that monster, but get some Z's. 4 of 1 suit. 1 point. No, it's 4. 19. So, well, 1 check. And I guess I need to do the check up here as well. For the. Well, I mean, I'm doing that check anyway, right? I think this might be the easiest. I might just do this up here, right? If I put this up here, then I could just do this with the Rain Man, and we're all good, right? So then if it's the Rain Man, has Rain Man. I said good night. Good night. I said good night. I said get some good dreams, you know, and I hope you feel better tomorrow. But nighty night. Go sleep. Feel better. Things. It's okay. It's okay. There's no worries. Thanks for hopping by though. I appreciate it. Shaking my head. But I hope you sleep okay. So that's fine. That is true. Tony is sick. No bully. No bully. Bye. No bully. No bully. Only kindness. That works for this then. Okay. Again, I think there's probably a better way to do this, but I think this is just. I don't think I much have to live with it. So this is just basically making like one. It's basically making one dictionary of all the values, and I'm only counting it once. So I think that makes the most sense. This scored card is just checking every card that I scored this turn, and then I get this up here. I don't need this anymore. Maybe I can check all the values of the cards being checked, and if any of those work, not as efficient. Well, probably maybe it is, but at the end of the auction, if they list greater than 0, turn on. So this is actually that's not a bad idea. No, go away. Okay. Moment of truth. I probably missed. I missed one. Okay, that's not too bad. That's pretty good for me actually. Just missing one. Pretty good. Normally I forget like 20 semicolons. Oh. What did I do wrong? Oh. No. Oh. Perfect silver, that's fine. Yeah, just these points are awkward, so. Okay. Scorecards. Where am I using that? Oh. Scorecards, no more. And then I'm forgetting count cards somewhere. Oh no? Oh, it was just in scorecards, I see. Okay, so give us an test. So that's a bright. Trying to see if I can capture what, like maybe get the rest of August. Do they have any August cards? No. I just want to see if I can give me August. Oh, that's their hand. Me. Give me August. Give me the other August. For this. I'm the best at this game, guys. Look at this. I don't even need to see the cards to know that I need them. Get rid of that. So I should have all of one suit now when I end this turn. 4 of one suit. Cool. I'm so good at this game. That's one bright as well, actually. Give me that bright. Give me that bright. Do they have a bright? No. Them having brights? What? So if I capture those, there's January here. No, this is January. That's in December. Oh, watch this happened. What? I fucked something anyway. That's what I get for testing this game this way. Sure, get rid of you. I don't even know what card's up anymore. Yikes. Barely fucked this. Okay. Oh, 3 points. I didn't even see that. Okay, that works too. Okay. We'll call that progress, I guess. So, happy enough with this though. This one's a little bit easier. So it's for each card captured, we try and score that card. And we reset that every time. I'm going to do the yep. Okay. So I hate looking at this. This is the worst. It's so bad. Can I like Unity make a dictionary? I guess what? Not make, initialize a dictionary with things in it. Do I have to keep doing this add, or can I just initialize it with declare? Is that what I'm looking for? Can I do that? Equals. I can just put them like this. And, I guess it's not initially. I want to declare. I do declare. No. Okay. Can't write about it, so I'm just gonna stuck with this for a bit. But I feel like there's got to be a way to just like, if I just put it in there. I don't know. That's fine. Scorecard. Oh, I only need to check for the Rain Man really in terms of the old Wikipedia. So let me see here. Oh, Chrome, please. Okay, that's just 5 brights. That's fine. That's 4 brights, but I have to check if the Rain Man's in it. Same with, or not in it. Same with that one. Same with this one. That's just checking if those 2 cards exist. Those 2 cards exist. These 3 cards exist. 5 of those. That's 2 different sets. So I can just add those together. Same with these. These can be commutative, so I just need to add those 2 sets together. Those are 2 different sets. That's just 5. That's the suits, and that's, yeah. So that's fine. I think the Rain Man's literally the only thing I need to be like, oh, is this an issue? Okay. Okay. Oh, that's solitaire. That's why I was like, what? I do want to add this rainy day penalty, which I think is fun. But I also need to check for something else then if I'm doing that. Okay, so for each card in the thing. Card captured this turn. Oh, it's I add that up later. Or yeah, earlier. I add them as I capture them. I guess now what I need to check is, yeah, let's see. I can check it. So I can still use this, I suppose. Yeah, I think that's fine. I could still use this as my scores. Yeah. Okay. So how do I do scores? Hey. Jeez, it's almost been 2 hours. I might take a small break in just a sec to grab a drink and stuff. But I just want to change this. I'm trying to think. Um, what I could do is basically, what could I do here? I could make a list. No, that doesn't work either. Fuck. Hmm. Need to think. Need to think. Um. Okay, so I could make the list in here. Well, maybe I don't need the list at all. Oh, this can be public as well for now. No point in all that private stuff for now. I mean, probably is a better way to plan it out, but I'll worry about that later. Yes, I need to remember to do this. I do the checks at the start of the game. Lists. So I guess it's like, what do they call them in this actually? Combos. So maybe I do make another dictionary. There's gotta be a way to declare a dictionary with value anything. Oh, can I just do that? That's fine. I'm gonna check this. Let's see. This throws an error, I suppose. So what I want to do then is that. Um, oh, thinky face, winky face. If I get rid of all of these, um, um, that's throw an error, I suppose. I guess I would have to get rid of the last one just to check. That's throw an error. Probably not getting called. It's not getting called. If I try and do anything, what happens? Let's just capture some stuff. Capture that with. Ignore that. Item with it. Oh, it's already been added. Okay, cool. So that does work. This makes it just a little bit cleaner. I like this now. It's a nice old bob. What? Oh, I think I've copied that. Bright 10.4. These are all done. Oh, blossom, buttercup. Everything. I'm trying to think. Remember the Powerpuff Girls intro now for some reason. Nice. Yeah, I mean, I will say I'm probably not the best person to be to be looking at in terms of like making a pretty cool game. Inscription's fucking dope though. I love that shit. But like there's probably better ways to do it. But I'm just dumb, so I do what I can. But thank you. I appreciate it. Appreciate you checking it out, Fox. I know it's not probably what you usually check out. I hope you're having a nice time. Okay, so now, like, I don't actually need it up here, right? Do I? No, I do. I don't need suit. I don't need suit. It's not one of these. Right. Okay. Oh, that's fine. That's just from before. So, fingers crossed. Everything's okay. The sync key's already been added. Oh, I didn't get rid of this. Fuck. Also, I'm probably using these completely. I don't know if this is really the way you should be using dictionaries, but it's how I'm using them. So, sure. If it gets results at the end of the day, who cares? Basically, that's my mentality at this point. Okay, I didn't get any errors, so progress. Okay. I'm basically just using them to like to hold these enum types. Oh, maybe you don't look at it. You can't see, but I'm trying to block my screen from you. It's okay, Bardic. You don't need to see how I'm terribly using things. I'm basically just using them as like I'm using it to keep up a count, basically. Okay, that's fair. But for multiple things at once. What I was going to do now is I was going to use them as also like my score, right? I don't know if that's also another way, but one second. How the fuck did I do that? Again, dictionaries not something I normally look at. So okay, cool. You know, you never know, man. I know half the shit I'm doing makes sense at all. So this is what I'm just gonna do. Combo. Combo. Man, combo types. I just got combos. I think this just needs to be a string though. I don't think I need this. So, oh, okay. Oh. So, 5, right. 4, right. So that's 15 points. This is 8 points. 7 points. Ooh, we got a new feature done. Very interested to see what that is, Bardaki. I'm very interested. No, I'll hopefully catch it. Oh, are you not streaming tomorrow? Taking Friday off. But yeah, it do be late. I will probably finish up soon too. I started very late today, so. But I hope you get some sleeps too. Thank you. Okay, that's fair. But no, hope you have a nice Friday. So, and hopefully to catch the stream. I want to see this new feature. Very interested. Fulbrights. Okay. Thank you, and you have a good sleeps. So 4 brights. With Rain Man. This is definitely not the good way. Without Rain Man. I definitely don't think I should do this. I don't know how else to do it. 3 bright. without click. I would also say, Fox, if you like this, the rules for Koi Koi make no fucking, well, they make sense, but they're also just super fucking hard to understand what's going on. Okay. I've tried to explain this so many times, people are like, what? Hey, core activities. It's good, it's good. How are you doing? I'm programming up a, well, I guess developing, not really developing, like digitizing a Japanese board game or a card game. So it's fun. 5. So this is trying to figure out how to. It is an intriguing. It is an intriguing situation. I have no idea what I'm doing, but I am continuing with my life. How are you doing though? How was you? This is worth 5. Okay, so 4 butterfly deer. Alphabetical chat. Alphabetical. That's how we do it. This is a terrible way to do this. I should do this because the points are dependent on the number of cards in some of the instances. Fuck. I don't want to. Okay, this is not the way to do it. So I have the points here, and I have what they are. So what am I trying to do? Trying to figure out. Sharky, help me. Okay. So when you capture, like for example, I don't have this coded in yet, so this is why I'm really struggling to figure out how I'm supposed to get this to work. Capture that. So I've captured those cards, but that wasn't any Yaku, which is just a combo. So if I want a combo, like what were those? I'm just gonna try and cheat and give myself a combo. This is one of those. So put this up here. Oh fuck! Put it in my hand, not their hand. Okay. So we click this. We discard that. Boom. Oh, what have I done? Now we discard. So I have 4 of a suit there. What I want to do then is when that happens is like, oh my god, you made a combo. This screen should pop up every time I make a combo. And then you can koi koi, which this is the whole purpose of this game. This is literally what the fucking thing is named after. You can koi koi, which basically means continue. Is you can continue playing, or you can end the round and take the points you just earned. But if you koi koi, you can get more points and blah blah blah, but the opponent can still win. It's a whole thing because this is like a 12-point game, 12 round game, or a 6-round game or a 3-round, depending how fast you want to go. So what I need to do is, if any of those got called, so I guess what I would do is, I'm trying to think here. So I score the cards, but I'm calling that even if there is no score. I'm just checking if there is a score. So what I would need to do is I need to make some way. I need to make a list or something. This is a decent idea where I make a list, right? Make a list of things that's empty. But if I make any of those sets, it adds something to the list. And then if that list is not empty, then it if that list is not empty, that means you have an option of winning that turn. So that would mean you should lift up the list, everything's good, right? So so how would I do that? I guess what I could do is, I'm trying to think here, right? Because it's not too bad for some of them. Like moon viewing. This is a specific type of winning where I'll pull this over because it might help you guys understand what the fuck I'm talking about. like moon viewing is this set. You specifically need the moon card, and you need the Sakai Cup specifically to get it, right? So if you need the two of those specifically, you only get 5 points. No variation, no change, no nothing. You always get 5 points. But for example, if you get this set, the Tane set, I think, you get 5 10-point cards, which are different. There's like, I think there's like 7 or 8 of them. If you get any 5 of them, you get 1 point, but you get an additional point per extra. So those, like, you know, that could vary, but these ones can't vary. So I'm trying to think. How would you do that? Trying to think here. How would you do that? What's that get called? If I had a dictionary, I could have a dictionary and I could just change the value. I could add a dictionary and have, I could have a 3-key dictionary. 3-key dictionary, maybe. Is that overkill? I don't know. 3-key dictionary for combos that can have additional points, right? Because if it's 3 keys, then I could just, for anything that isn't possible to get additional points, you could just have it be a 2-key. Or not a 2-key, you could have it just be 0, right? So if I do public, fuck, I just undid this. Trying to think, like, if I do strings, is that a good way to do this? I could just add them themselves to the dictionary. Public dictionary, string int. I guess int equals combo. I guess like current combos, right? Equals new dictionary string int. That up there. Current combos. Steal that. Put it up here. Right? Put this up here. I hope this makes sense, like, logically, but also I hope people understand what I'm trying to talk about here. So that's empty. So what I could do then is, when it's a scorecard, for example, let's say moon viewing. Let's just add this to moon viewing, and I'll try and cheat a moon viewing in. Moon viewing in function. So what I would do then is current combo. If that happens, current combos dot add moon viewing 5 0, right? And then if current combos, and then I would do current combos dot clear, because every time, no, dot clear. That's how you can clear a dictionary. Because what would happen is every time, you can only score with the cards you picked up this turn. They have to be parts of the set, like, basically. So then if current combos is not equal to null, print, oh no, print current combos. I guess this should probably be a list, not a I guess print current combos, because it's a dictionary, not a list. So I'm doing this incorrectly. It shouldn't be a dictionary, it should be a list. Can I do that? No, can't do that, because if I do that, then I don't get the name. Um, um, fuck. Okay. Dictionary. Methods, I guess. Methods Unity. Well, Unity's documentation is so weird to me. Very. This is the right way to do this. I just add a list. I guess what I would do is do multiple brights. What if I do? I added it in here. I already have most of them in here. Do here? What am I trying to do? Public enum. This is an enum. Doesn't work. No, because that doesn't work because the points could overlap. Sharky, please help me. I might take a small break and just get a drink or something because I think I just need a second away. Yeah, I just need to be able to print all of them. I guess, is there a way to output all the dictionary Unity? Because it's unstructured, that's what. Okay. I think I'm gonna take that drink. I'm gonna get a drink, so if anyone's still around, take a break or whatever. But I'll be back in just a few minutes. Okay. I'll leave you with some tunes anyway, so see you in a sec. Okay, we are back. I think I have an idea of what to do now. Because there's a for each you can do with dictionaries, which is going to be very helpful. So if combos.count does not equal 0, do this. So what I want then is it's a for each. Just like it's like a key value pair. So it's for each key value pair string int pair in current combos I mean, do I care about the extras? I could just, can I do that? I can't do that because it's a pair. Using key value pair binary with 3 values. I think this is a fool's errand. This is a fool's errand. What I should just do is just print out the actual value. I think this is a fool's errand. So I think I should just do this, and when it's down here, where did I put it? I put it in here. What is it? 5. So where was that? What did that in here? For each pair dot print so I get used to doing this. Pair dot name, no, pair dot key value. Oh, I can get rid of this as well. And print that. Is this a problem? But what I have moon viewing. So I just need to cheat a moon viewing. Okay, that's super easy. Moon is one of the 20s, so I actually don't remember which one's which. Moon viewing is Sakura 20, and Sakura is, oh, that's curtain actually. Can I just capture this? No, oh, I can. Well, I can just do this. So that's, oh, I need moon viewing though. Which one's moon? The moon is August, so I need August 20. Let's capture that anyway. August 20. There's August 20. Give me August 20. August 20. That. Oh my god, give me something else that's in August, please. Grab that one. August. Discard hue. Capture that August. So now I have the moon. I just need the cup, which is Chrysanthemum 10. Oh. September 10. September 10. Give me that. Grab that. So September. Okay. So now moon viewing. I actually have both, but that's wrong. Yeah, it didn't print. Oh wait, I didn't. Did I not save it? Fuck. Yeah, because it didn't do moon viewing correctly. I didn't save it. I don't think. Okay. So what? It's August 20. Here's August 20. September. I have the sake cup anyway, so Scared you, scared you. This. Okay. August 20 is here. So grab that. And then just I need to capture in August, which I don't have. So give me an August. Give me an August. Doop doop doop. Scared. I don't know why that breaks it, but like I shouldn't need to really fix it because it doesn't matter. What? Where's that card? Oh, it's on the board, right? They give me this. So now if I discarded this, so I'm gonna move doing twice. Cool. So then I don't need this anymore. Just give me one last test. We'll see if this works. That's actually the moon right there. I can actually get both. that's kind of funny. Discard this. Discard this. Give me an August and give me a September. Give me an A. Give me a B. Give me a letter, please. Okay. My hand. Clickable. Grab you. Discard you. And then I need September 10. I have September 10 in my hand. Interesting. Hey, Ryuke? Ryuke 4? How's it going? Are you from Japan? That's cool. How are you doing? I mean, what time is it there? I imagine it's like midnight here, so. But how are you doing? I'm trying to make koi koi, which I don't know if you've heard of a koi koi, but you're probably more likely to have heard of koi koi than anyone else. Why is it printing like that? Do I have a space down here? So why it doesn't work? Doing good. I'm doing good. Why is this not? Print. Test. I'm just trying to figure this stuff out. I'm doing good. I've been bashing my head against this code for a bit, so it's been fun. Trying to figure out a good way to track the potential different scoring system. So I'm trying to do test with moon viewing, which probably isn't the easiest one to test with. September 10. Where's September 10? Was it on the board? September 10 is on the board. 7 September. Grab this. So. And then I need August 20, right? August 20 is the other one. This and capture this. Okay, so it is printing it. I don't know. Weird. Very weird. Yeah, good old Nightbot. Nightbot is so welcoming. But yeah, so I'm starting to get, I think, a decent amount of this done now. Just what I need to do is hook it up to some systems, because I have like, oh, you can capture the cards and it knows what I mostly have it make it knowing the sets, right? So that's not a set, but that's a bright. It knows what some of those are, and it'll try and check for it every time you could have checked. What I need to do now is bring up this screen so you can continue, you can koi, or you can just end the round. And I also need to implement the other person's turn, because I have not implemented that at all. So far, this is a very solo game of koi. And round, then we'll just restart. Okay, cool. So what I can do now is I can just add this to add all the combos now. So current combos dot add. One thing I need to look at when I'm kind of done all this stuff is I need to look at adding loads of what are they called? Like home rules, I guess. House rules. Cherry. This. Yeah, no, I think it's pretty cool. I saw it in when did I see it? I saw it like a couple of weeks ago in Call Me Can't Communicate. I was like, oh, that looks cool. I would like to learn how to first play it and then try and code it. So I'm kind of doing a bit of both, trying to figure it out. So it's been fun. It's definitely tricky because every time I look up the rules somewhere, everyone's got there's like but hundreds of fucking homebrews or not homebrews. I keep thinking homebrews because Dungeons and Dragons like house rules. So like one of them I saw that was fun was that you can do like a rainy day penalty where if you have the Rain Man or Lightning card, any of the viewing parties are ruined, which I think that's kind of funny. So I might do that one. But I'd like to add all those kind of stuff in. One thing that I found super useful, which is I need to credit where I got this deck from because I don't have it listed right now. But the person who put up this deck also put in like a hint mode, which I will say I have no idea. Some of these cards are impossible to tell what set they're from, so I'm so glad that they have like this one's from October. Like some of them aren't too, but like the August set's fairly easy to differentiate, but like July and April are just sadness. I guess it's maybe the direction. Is that it? I don't know how to tell the difference. Some are worse than others, but it's good fun. And I like kind of program stuff. I've also maybe I've broken it now. We'll see. I've also programmed up Solitaire with it, but this was just kind of a test to just see if I could get it to work. So what? This is March. February, March. Man, I'm doing very well. I haven't hit any. What? Oh, that's June. I fucked that one up. Fuck. Thanks for the follow. Ryuke? I just want. Am I saying that correctly? Ryuke or Ryuke? I don't know. I'm terrible with names, so I apologize if I'm fucking it up. But thank you for the follow. Glad you're enjoying. I haven't hit any Novembers. What is this? I feel this feels far too good to be true. August. There we go. I was like, that was a really long stint of no Novembers, and I was like, this seems sketch. I could actually maybe win this. I should probably do this without the sets on. So I'd learn, but it is far too late to be trying to actually win this. Oh, there we go. I got 2 in a row. Ooh. Can we do a chat? Can we do it? March, December, April? No, we lost them. Sadness. But we got some of them correct. Cool. Okay, back to Koi Koi because I'm trying to figure out. So what I was doing now is because I have these. I actually don't really need this. I'll leave that for now. I need to work on. Thanks, but I'm just Japanese living in Japan, so I can just understand your English board. That's okay. That is no worries. I mean, hey, I'm happy that you even checked it out. To be honest, believe me, I wouldn't understand anything. I'm learning a little bit of Japanese, but it is knowing 40 to 60% of a completely different language. That is commendable. So thank you for just being here. But if you're enjoying, that's okay. What am I trying to do here? I'm trying to clean this up because this is just a mess. So this is current combos. Yeah, no worries. 5 bright, so that's 15 points. This is 8 points. 4 bright with no Rain Man. I should probably put in the actual like Japanese names for these. I think that might be better, but people have no idea. Oh, C# 30%. I mean, honestly, my understanding of C# is very low. I will say that. There is some people who who are, I think they're probably going to sleep now because it's fairly late here, who know bonkers levels of stuff, and I'm just like, I'll make a basic. I'm not even designing a card game. I'll recreate a card game that people play already. So 4 brights with Rain Man. So that's 7, and then it's 3 brights. But I would like to try and put all the extra rules in, like the options for the rules, because I know people play this. I was looking up the rules myself. People play this with so many different variations. I would like to kind of try and give people the option to use some of that if they would like. But I gotta get the game working and just a base function before I could do that, I suppose. So So this is moon viewing. Moon viewing 5. Cherry blossom. Oh, I didn't put viewing in. Cherry blossom viewing. Yeah, I learned that when I was looking up the stuff, and it's so wild that that is like that kind of is. I don't know if it's Nintendo's origins, but the fact that they used to do that, it's like, whoa. I know that I think they made like a new set that's based off all their characters, which I think was kind of cute. It's wild. Yeah, it's crazy. Yeah, no, I mean, it's also so crazy that they. So that's 10. Sorry, 1 second. That they pivoted over and that they were able to do that. Do you know what I mean? Because, you know, I imagine a lot of companies probably didn't have the option to do that. Butterfly, deer. That's 10. But yeah, I think these are. I don't think these are based on the original. Well, I think most of the cards are based on the original thing, but I don't know if these are the cards that they were using. This is just someone released cards similar, so I took them. Basically, I was like, "You're releasing them for free, so I'll take them." Because trying to do art would be awful. What I would like to do, and you know, this is a super far down the line option, is minions art 3D. 1 second. Yeah, 'cause I do some 3D stuff with, well, I did 3D stuff with work, so I would very much like to do. Oh no, minions art. Come on, GIF, please, GIF. Here we go. This thing. I would like to be able to do something like this, where there's like, it looks like the card has like depth inside of it. So I would like to do something with that with all the cards, which I think would be really cool. So you could like, you know, if you had like, for example, I don't know, like any of these, you could like have a 3D panoramic kind of view, parallax view with the cards, which I think would be cool. Again, I gotta get the game to work before I do any of that shit. So here's an issue. So current cards thought 10-point card combo. This is this. Cool. Okay, that's fine. This is work. Nope. I want this back. Yeah, it would be pretty dope. I would really like to do it because I've seen people do that before, and it just looks so awesome. It seems like probably a lot of work. I basically just have to make it all in 3D and just kind of project it over. But it's kind of what I do on the current. I misspelled that. Why I do these kind of on Tuesdays and Thursdays. I do the. I don't know if it should be in the title, where I just do a thing. Right now it's coding, but last week I think I did some Dungeons and Dragons stuff, which I don't know if you're familiar with that. But that kind of thing. I just do stuff that I feel like doing, basically. I would like to maybe spend a couple of those streams doing some 3D stuff and trying to learn how to implement that in Unity, because I have no idea how that works in Unity. So it's gonna be fun. Roles. So this. I really need to copy this better from somewhere else because I'm making loads of mistakes. Okay, grab that. Pull this from here. What is this? Oh, this is planes. Plane combo, I guess. That's what, one? No. Fuck. Second. This is worth this. Plane combo. It. Get rid of you. Now it adds to all of those. So basically, if any of those combos get hit, they'll. Oh no, I need to add this one. Nope. Uh, 1 second. 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 1 sec 4 of 1 suit. By the way, the origin of the Japanese mafia name is Hanafuda? What? Yakuza means 893 Hanafuda number. Really? That's... what? That sounds mental, but also, that's so cool. Means 893 of Hanafuda number. What does 893 mean? I'm not sure what the number means. That is very interesting. I didn't see that anywhere. It means 893. That's so cool. I don't know how I didn't. Oh, I can get rid of this. I don't know how I didn't find that. Yakuza in Hanafuda origin. I did not know that. Oh, it's from a different game. Oh, interesting. That's kind of mind-blowing. I'm gonna be honest. I'm just saying, maybe like the origin of everything is from Hanafuda. Just saying, like all of life. Nintendo from there, the Yakuza from there. Oh, I see. Each of the card numbers. I see. Now I'm like, I want to make that game that's based off of. From Ochokabu. Probably mispronouncing that though. That is pretty dope. Thank you for more lore. Now when people ask what is this from, I'm like, it's also it's from Nintendo and it's from Yakuza. Yo. That's pretty cool. So now I have multiple pairs. So what I can do now is, if that's not 0, what I can do is I can do, what do I want to do? I want to open the Yaku screen. So Yaku screen, I'm going to push this up a bit more. Oh, James is most poor in other human. Interesting. Yeah, I don't actually like. I imagine this like it's a deck of cards. Like it's like a normal deck of cards. Not sorry, it's not like a normal deck of cards. It's that you can just play. You can there's probably hundreds of games you can play with Hanafuda, which is I barely know Koi Koi. I know Solitaire because it's just Solitaire, but I barely know Koi Koi. So interesting. Most poor. When you say most poor, do you mean that it's a bad hand? Is it? It's like a losing hand, I suppose. That I would want this to be set active. Right, so if I do this now. Okay. Interesting. Just like, I guess my question then is, I guess bad hand equals bad people. I see. Yeah, I was about to ask, like, I'm like, I assume the Yakuza wouldn't give themselves that name then. But yeah, that makes sense if people are like, it's like a, bad hand, bad head people. That is super cool. Don't do this to me, Fox. No, I refuse. Don't, no. Gotta sacrifice. Oh my god, no. Mixing again, inscription as well. So this should work. So if I have a thing, it should give me the option to end the game. So this is going to be the first time that some of this logic is actually going to make sense for once. Oh, it's actually not about. Oh, that's October. But also, like, I think that's such a cool as well. Thanks for telling me that, though, Ruki. Because like that's such a cool what's the word for it? It's one of those fancy words, like I guess origin is probably the easiest way to say it, but like I don't know, like like Lord of the Rings when Tolkien was trying to come up with all that stuff. Like that's literally like the origins of the Yakuza mafia, like the Japanese mafia's name Yakuza is because people were like, okay, this is a bad hand in a card game. Your bad people will like that's such a cool way to come up with that stuff. Like if I had that kind of shit in my like D&D game, I'd be like, oh, you know what I mean? Oh, that's so cool. I will warn, I'm also terrible at this card game, by the way. Just because I'm trying to design it or make it doesn't mean I'm good at it. I can't capture that. I can't capture anything. Probably should. I don't know if I want to give an option like where they're like, oh, you can't play anything, so I'll just auto skip. I feel like that's a bad idea. I feel like the player should have to realize. You know what I mean? I don't know if I'm gonna have any sets at this point, which is not great. Let's give view back. Nothing. Okay, that was unfortunate. You know, this game would normally have an extra player as well, so I'd be able to pick their cards as an option. So that is one thing. I should have grabbed this, I assume. I'm actually just trying to make literally any set. I just want to see if what am I trying to say here? I'm trying to say words, and words aren't working. Let's see if any of the options make sense. Rayman's not good, but it's still right though. Any of those no. I can't grab that, of course. October anyway. Grab that. Grab you. Oh, right. Oh, so I have a scrolls equals 0. Wait, what? Scrolls equals 0. Okay, so that logic doesn't make sense then. I think I might have to do this. I think I might have to do that. I think the maths doesn't work otherwise. Oh wait, no. It's it does make sense. I'm a fucking moron, that's why. Because I'm checking to see if there's 5 scrolls and then dividing it. I need to also add back 5. Shit. I didn't think about that. Because I was just deducting it. I didn't. That was stupid. So I need to do that. Then I need to do that also with here. I'm a fool. I'm a fool. I'm a fool of a duck. So then this is plain. It's that, and then it's this. And I just need to do it up here with this one. And I think we're okay. Oh, I don't want that space there. 10 point. Do that, and then do this. Everything else is just based on the cards. That's fine. And we're all good. Okay. Give her another shot. I didn't think about that. That was stupid. Oh, I have loads of scrolls. I have 5 scrolls just in hand. Whoa. Okay. July. No, that's June. Anyway, grab that one. Review. I'm just trying to test here. So these definitely isn't the most optimal plays. I just want, if I have all 5 scrolls, then I should. Yeah. So now I have an option of winning. With this, I could take those points and end the round, which would restart the game, or I could have continued playing. But right now the scores aren't tracked, so that's the only issue. That's one of the main issues right now. So I guess what I need to do now is the fact that I even got that to work, I'm pretty happy with that, to be honest. I don't know why this is an 8 as well. This should be a 10. Keep score between rounds. I guess also add rounds to the game, because I believe you can play this in 3 different ways. You can play 12 rounds, which is I think the normal, the base version of the game. You can play 6, which is faster, and then 3, which is like super fast rounds. So I want to give that option as well, but I honestly probably need to add the other person to the game as well. That's something I need to look at doing, but I have no idea how to do multiplayer things, and I'm terrified of that. Like, you know, when you were saying before, Fox, with like Inscription, at least with Inscription, they only have to deal with one person playing, right? Like, ooh, trying to figure out how to get this to work with someone else is like, yeah. And the other thing I need to do is add figure out the combo, like when the combos come up, right? I wanted to show the combos. Actually, that's one thing I don't know, but I'm not sure is you can only score one combo, right? Yeah, I think you can only. Yeah, that's exactly correct. Okay, I'm gonna basically the idea with this, and I don't know if I'll be able to get it to work, because I want it to work on my phone. Basically, I want it to work on a phone, probably like horizontal, and I'd like to be able to just connect with one other person and just play. Or maybe I might try and do some online thing. I'm probably, I'm not doing this to like, oh, put it on Steam or something, do you know? Just, but I know that you can. I think you can technically play with like 4 people, and you can do 2 different teams. But I think I'll stick with 2 people for now. But it's gonna be the idea anyway. Yeah, that's nice. I guess it's competitive. I don't know what you'd call. I guess duel. I don't know. But I still have a long way to go. Like I don't have the scores tracking. I don't have the rounds in. I don't even have the option for the person to play right now. That's gonna be fun to figure out. But I think that's gonna be probably for a different day. So I do all of this, and then I reset the combos. So what I need to do now is I need to make like what I have in my D&D thing, which is like a list. So when I bring up this screen, I wanted to list the potential, I guess, the combos you got, so you have an idea. And I need to do, because I believe when you get a koi koi, it's double points, right? Or like not double points, but like if you continue playing, you can go for more points, depending on the rules. Depends on, but honestly, so much of the game depends on the rules. Or I think the opponent can get double points. I'm not. Again, yeah. Very tricky to figure out. But there's a fair bit to do. But because right now there's no actual score, which I guess I probably should add. I might just do that. Might do that. Maybe I'll do that. So I guess what I would do with end round is, where's end round? Clear table. Is that actually just what's calling end round? That might be what's going on. End round is just clear table. Yeah, don't do that. Oh, nope. Okay, so so that's a Yaku check. That's clear table. So let's put it in here. Nightbot is very insistent. Public void end round. So what would happen then is, first of all, you clear the table. Developing a computer player seems to be difficult. Well, I'm actually not making I'm literally only making this work with 2 people. I'm not making this so that you can play against the computer. Maybe that's something I might look at, but I have literally no idea how to do any of that. I guess you could do, like, you could assign points to the cards. Like, I know there is actual points assigned to the cards, but you could be like, okay, this is a more valuable card than this, you should go for that. Not really sure how the best way to do that is. But I'm just designing this just to make it work right now, and then probably make it so that you can you have to play with another human person, and then maybe I'll do a computer AI, but we'll see about that. Because honestly, like, I can't really develop a computer AI because I'm not that good at playing the game. So it's a bit hard to make a computer good at it if I don't know how to be good at it. What was I doing? Oh, yeah, so that's fine. And then what I would want is, I'm gonna put this up top with koi stuff. So I guess what I would want then is like public int my score, public int their score. So I guess let's just put these up somewhere. But it would be interesting. I do enjoy some of the AI stuff, but I don't know. One of the other things I would like to do is I do rigging, which is like a 3D animation thing, and I do that. I did that in college, and I did that as my job. So I might do a couple of rigging streams. So that could be fun. I would like to kind of do a bit of a dive into Unreal Engine, which is it's like Unity but different. I basically. So I might have a look at that. We shall see. What was I doing? Oh, I wanted to change this code over. Right. I wanted to change. Oh, stop. Yeah, it's pretty cool. It's being a rigger is cool, but also very unfortunate because you're like the middle person. You don't get to start the project and you don't get to end the project, so you're kind of just stuck in the middle, which is fun times. But also, Fox knows it could be a pain just being the start guy as well, I suppose. End round. So here we go. It does the same thing anyway, but now I can write more code in here. So, I guess what I could just do, just for now, int highest value equals 0. It's just printing it, that's fine. If pair dot value is greater than highest value equals pair value. Right. I actually probably need to put this out here, right? I think. Nope, don't want to do that. Highest value. So I do all that. And then I guess I would do highest value. Well, no, I should do this on how to do this. How would I do that? Because this is not passing anything into this, because this is specifically on the end round. So I guess every time I run this, I would just set highest value equals 0. I think that makes sense. I think. So every time the Yaku gets checked, because this does all of the cards at once. That's fine. Yes, that works. Highest value. No, it's my score goes highest value. A little clumsy right now, but that should do. What I just need then is I just need a rough like text thing. But yeah, no, 3D animation. I do like it. Fucking bitch sometimes, but it's good. Man, Arcane fucking blew my mind though. I think there's going to be a behind the scenes of Arcane, which I'll cry when that happens. It's going to be so good. So what I need to do now is I need to just add a text UI text mesh pro. Just make this 0. Let me move this around, please. There, down here. My score. I capitalized these for some reason. My score. Okay, so public text, no, TMP, right? Underscore u. Do I not have TMP in here? No. Using TMP. I think it's TMP. Using TMP. No. 1 second now. Gotta open up my other projects. I don't remember how to use TMP. I think it's just maybe it's Text Mesh Pro. We shall see. We shall see. But I will probably be ending stream soon because it has been 3 hours and it is almost 1 a.m. So time for sleep. Sleepy sleeps. But I'm gonna try and get this fixed if I can, and then we'll be done. So UI using TM Pro. I hate it. Terrible naming system. Using TM Pro. Here we go. So down here now. Public TM Pro. No, TMP. I guess I could just do text. I guess public string. No. What is this? Properties? No. I wish I could just copy this. I don't know what that's called. TM Pro text. Public community. Oh, here we go. This thing. Or text. I mean, I could probably just. I probably don't even need these. I probably don't even need the ints. I could just. I mean, it's a string though. Maybe not. I don't know. What am I trying to do here? I'm trying to set this. So. My score equals that. So then it. What do I even call this? Score text. I guess my score text would be more appropriate. My score text. My score text. Text equals my score. I don't think that'll work because it's an int. Yes. So if I do this string. Nope. I think I can just do string. Yeah, that's okay. So now, moment of truth. This number should hopefully change. I just want to see actually how big that number is. Is it kind of easy to see? Yeah, it's fine. Okay, cool. So now we just need to see if I can fucking score. Please. I could get a viewing actually. Is there any options for viewing right now? I have the Sakura. I know sake, not Sakura. Sake cup. What? It's March 20, and I believe it's September. No, that's the cup. August. March and August are the two different viewings. So August 20 is here. So let's just steal that. Put it in my hand. Let's discard you. So this is August. So let's grab you. So this should be a win. So if I end round now, I should get 5 points. No. Okay. What did I do wrong? End round. So 6, 7, 4. Or oh, I'm an idiot. I didn't assign the thing. I didn't assign this one. There we go. That's unfortunate. That would have been a good test. So that's actually the moon, so I could grab that one. Sure. Grab this. Are you? Grab you. Sure. Grab everything. Give me something eventually, right? Will this work? What did I even get? 4 of 1 suit. Okay. So if I end round, I should get 4 points. There we go. Nice. I do need to watch out for this error, so I guess I guess what I need to do then is add if not already existing in dictionary Unity. It'll automatically add the key if it's non-existent. Okay, so I guess what I need to put, I think I'd look at this, but probably not today. I think today is time for sleep. Fix error on dictionary. Fix error on dictionary. Where fix error goes when you it combo twice and turn it the same combo. So I know what's wrong with that. I'm just not sure the best way to solve it. I know what's wrong. It's basically the issue is that for example, I think in that last set, because of all the cards I'd captured, I'd actually gotten this one all twice. I'd gotten 4 of one suit. I had 4 of one suit and 4 of another suit, and I got them both in the same turn. So it tried to add it twice, but you can only capture one. You can only Yaku on one of those. So what I need to do is add a catch. Same with that, but like I need to do that for everything. I'm just not sure the best way to do it. Like, because you could technically, like what would you could technically get the 3 poetry, the 3 poetry scrolls and the 3 blue scrolls and 5 scrolls. You know, you could get loads of things at once. Actually, well, you could, yeah, because you could get 5 scrolls twice, because you could get 6 scrolls. So if you picked up the 2 last scrolls on the last turn, it would break. I don't know the best way to do that. I'm not sure if this is, like, maybe this is just an exception and it's fine. I don't know how much of a performance that takes, so we shall see. Probably something I should look at fixing. But we have a somewhat of a working game. That's not a November card. I'm trying to learn these cards as well. So can I play any of these? That's the same. So this works with this. That doesn't work with any. That's the November set. I don't have, that's not November. That's December. I don't know what month that is. That's this one. Same with this. So are these the same? I don't think so. No, they are. Okay. Nope, none of those work. So discard this. Same with that one. Capture this. I can't capture any of those. Get rid of you. Capture you. So I got 3 rights with no Rain Man. Okay. By end round, I got 6 points. Look at that. It's working, baby. Now, what I should do is I shouldn't take the points. Thinking about this now. Shouldn't make it equal. I should add them. I think, I'm not sure if that plus is the right way around or not. So we'll see. Because it's multiple rounds, right? So you should be able to add points together. Yeah, go for it. If you have any ideas of the plug, throw it. I will take it. That's not right. Fine. If I actually get that moon viewing, that's a viewing party, I think. That's fine. Grand. View. I would like to just capture. Oh, that's a soccer viewing. So, do I have any? I don't have any soccer. Fuck. What are you? Butterfly, beer. But yeah, no. If you have any idea, you're okay. Let me know. Because I'm just kind of going with what I know at this point, which is very little, I will say. That's November's. No, man, I got shafted. Go. Okay. There should be like a, if you run out of cards, then the game should end. But that's another thing that I need to look at. Adding. This card you. No. For you. Review. That's important. Not the same. No. Oh, I could capture that, but I can't. Is that down? Is that maybe like, is that how you differentiate those flowers, that those ones go down, those ones go up? Maybe? Not really sure, to be honest. No. I think that's December set. Do I have anything? So I have so what do I need? I need September 10. September 10. Just give me that. Just to cheat for now. And I guess give me another September card, please. This one is also playable. Where do you? So this should be viewing. That's fine. That's an error. So this should give me 5. Yeah, because that was the highest set there. I also had 4 of one suit, which is interesting. I didn't realize. So, can I capture this? Yes. What did I just get there? Wait, what? Or no, my capture zone. I had February. That's not right. This isn't clearing. I don't think. 1 second. Oh no. That cleared. That was weird. So I think I could have played that actually. That was stupid. Oh my god, Irish John, thank you for the raid. How was your stream, Jern? How's everyone doing? Raiders! Man, I don't know. Thank you for the follow. I'm gonna give John an old shout out because John is a good old lad. If anyone's not checking out John, check him out. He's making a fucking cool ass pirate game, and I honestly have no idea what he's doing half the time, but it's pretty cool. Big raid, big raid. I'm continuing the old Japanese card game, and I've actually made a command so people can understand what the fuck is going on. Because every time I try and explain it, I'm like, follow my words. So this is, I'm making koi. Oh no, I think I capitalized it. Wait. Nightbot, please. There we go. 2 in a row. It was just Nightbot being slow. But basically, it's like a card capture thing. You get a couple of combos, and you get some points, and you try and win. But yeah, how was your stream, John? Was it good? Bardaki was in a bit ago. I think he's gone to bed, which I should probably do too, because it is very late here in Ireland. I've been just smashing my head trying to get this stuff to work, because I'm like, at this point, I'm like, ugh. But we're doing a couple of testing because I'm trying to figure some stuff out. So capture this. So I have half of immune viewing. It's always fun trying to test card games because you're like, oh, I need that specific card and it's not here. So it's like, fuck. But yeah, how's everyone doing? All the raiders, whoever's still here. So where's September 10? September 10. This is me cheating, chat. Keep it between us. Yes, it has crossed the Pacific. As I desperately tried to learn what the fuck is going on. I'm both trying to understand how to code this in Unity while also trying to understand exactly how the game works. So it's always fun. September. So fingers crossed, chat. This should say, oh yes, you did perfect. You should score. There we go. So I could continue playing, which is what koi koi means, or you can end the round. But I got 5 points there because I got a moon viewing, which is specific cards. There's a lot of specific cards in this. There's 1 second. Here's the Wikipedia page. These are all the different ways you can win, which you just I have the link the Wikipedia linked in my URL, or hyperlinked, I suppose is what you'd say. But I'm making some progress. We'll see. This is meant to be a 2-player game, John, so I need to figure out how to make this work. First of all, with another person playing, and also try and get it to work like online. So yeah, we're doing great. But at this point, I'll take it if the game fucking works. So I needed to test the points. Right now I'm just trying to get it so that the rounds work, because basically it's normally a 12 round game. And right now I don't have that set up at all. So I could go for another moon viewing if the card comes up, but let's just try and capture some stuff, and I can't capture any of this. What card is this? December. That's May. I will say, adding this little hint mode was a savior for myself, because I have no idea what half these cards mean. I try, but I'm not a very smart boy. Also, some of them are a little bit hard to see. That's okay. Oh god, mellow out. I hope the stream went okay. I hope it wasn't another rant to stream, but no, go for a walk, chill. Thanks for the raid. I really appreciate it, and just give him a shout out again before he goes. Anyone's not following John, you should definitely pick him up. John does some crazy ass shit. He's very helpful, and his stream is great fun because you can do pew pew pews, and you can shoot each other in battle royales, and it's totally not rigged, John. Totally, it's totally not rigged. So I think these are this shouldn't work, because I believe that these flowers are different purely just because one of them goes up and one of them goes down, which I've literally just learned today. So fingers crossed. Hey, I'm learning, chat. I'm learning. Capture. Nope. So this is December because I think it has writing. Discard this. So that's pointing down, but there's none in here. So I could capture this with this. Hey, we learn. I don't have any sets right now, which is not looking good. One thing I do need to add that is a little bit hard to see is these are the cards I've captured, so these are the cards I can win with. But there's no real way to see what they are. So I want to add like a hover over, so if you like hover over this card, it'll just kind of pop up to the front so you can see it better. But it shouldn't, adjust the list or anything like that. So that's something to look at. I got 4 of 1 suit, so I think I got all of August, which is all those hills. So this is another thing I need to check out, because I'm getting an exception because I'm using a dictionary. And the reason I'm getting an issue with that is because basically you can only score, you can use all of the cards you captured, but you can only score as long as the cards that you captured this current turn also included. So for example, in that turn, the reason I'm getting this error is that I used 2 cards from August in that turn, which was a problem because it tried to add the 4 of 1 suit, which is a way to get points twice, which there should only be 1. So I basically just need to add a catch in there. I guess I could do try. I could do a try catch. I don't know if that's what that's meant to be for, but that makes sense to me. Just put this in here. For my own sanity. Maybe using try and catch? I don't know. I don't know how that works, so... but I want to test now, because that's 4. I want to test if this is going to add together, because I don't have any limits on the turn, but... what am I trying to say here? See, that's wrong. I should not have 4 of 1 suit. I only have 2 cards. So there's an issue going on here. So one of these sets isn't going to reset. So then what I need to do is current combos. So this is only if current combos is 0 for each. So I guess what I would need to do is maybe I just do this equals new dictionary. I think I should be able to clear, but maybe that's what's wrong. I'm not sure. I will say I don't use dictionaries very often, or haven't, so that could be the issue. So this is what I'm trying to test the error for. But I hope everyone's doing okay. I know it's very late for EU peeps. I know that some peeps here looking at you, UK, probably have very different time zones. But do be late. But also, it's Friday tomorrow, so chill times. That's not November, that's far down. One thing I would like to add at some point, but again, further, what am I trying to say? Further afield, I suppose, is I would like to add some, you know, because the sets have actual like Japanese names for them, and I'm not using those right now, which, you know, I would like to. But we shall see if I can do that at some point. This is November, actually, right? Fuck. That's another January set as well. That's down, right? Bird. That's I can get boar. I don't think I have the sake cup, so I can't get. Okay, I have 5 scrolls. That would get me. That's actually wrong as well. So I'm just gonna end this point because I shouldn't get 5 points for that. That was wrong. I need to fix that because actually only getting 5 scrolls, unless they're specific scrolls, doesn't get you only gets you 1 point, which is incorrect. I've been incorrect there. We shall see. So now this is the test area. If I do this and I just do that. Yeah, I'm getting this twice, which is wrong. That shouldn't be happening. Okay, well, one thing I should do. This is actually just captured counts. It's actually just 1, and same with this. This is just 1. Is that the bug you were trying to tell me about, Ryuke? Because that makes it, if that's so. But if there's another one, do feel free to let me know. Is that worth 5 points? Koi koi. 10 points. That's also just 1. Wait, is 5 scrolls? No, 5 scrolls is just 1. Okay, cool. I think we're good. So now I don't know why this error is happening. No, not that one. So let me think about this logic. Right. So this is getting called when we score. It's for each of these. We're going through this. I'm gonna move these because they're a little bit in the way. So for each card transform, we do that. We set this, set the highest value. I guess what we do then is, here goes that, and then I would set the highest value to 0. So 0. It's proccing this twice, and I'm not sure why it's doing that. Captured counts. Oh wait, I don't need to add this here because it gets set every time that goes through. Does a Yaki check. Does this for each. Cards captured this turn. That should equal nothing. That's fine. That's fine. I guess maybe I just throw this in here as well, just to be on the safe side, maybe. Combos equals that. Okay. Let's think about this, chat. Why would it be reading that as twice? Unless maybe this is wrong. It's calling that, and that's calling this, which is going through. That's the dictionary. That's fine. That's using that dictionary. In cards in my capture zone. Okay, let's go back through this again. I don't think what I just did should fix this, but I'm not sure why it's causing it. So that's a bright. I can capture that. Capture this with this. For that, sure. Any down. Oh wait, grab that one. That's a bright. Grab that one. Should grab that one actually. I think that's 4 brights. No, that's not a bright. That's a 10. Fuck. Rid of this. One second now. What's going on? Okay. So I just need to play through some cards. That's a November set. Isn't useful right now, unfortunately. Fuck. Oh, capture this. I need more cards. I think I have most of the brights, so give me. Oh, November 20 is Rain Man, right. Give me a November, please. In my hat. Just discard this, discard that, capture this, capture that, and then we're done. So that should be the end of the round. So 4 of 1 suit. So now if we end the round, we get 4. So now I'm gonna clear this. Just want to see. Even if I don't do anything. If I don't do anything, it's fine. What? I'm very confused. Okay, 1 second. Do this again. I won't try. I'll try capturing rather than discarding next time. That's a bright. Mind blown. What am I doing? That can't be captured. That is actually with. I had that card last time. That's fine. That with that, sure. Let's grab you. 4 of 1 suit. End round. I want to make sure that I do actually have 4 of 1 suit. I have 4 Aprils in my capture zone, so if I end round. Okay. So now if I capture things, what happens? Okay. I think I seem to have fixed it. I think I just needed to add it into the clear. I think that was the problem. Not sure. Or maybe I just somehow was crazy lucky. Well, no, I need 2 cards one time. Okay. We fixed the chat. Sharky helped. I just talked to him. And you, I suppose. So. Oh, what I also need to test if the score goes up, because I kept forgetting to do that. So, this is the fun part of making a game, just constantly testing and be like, does that work? No. Does that work? No. Capture this. Also, you know, if everyone's like, what the fuck is this game? It's meant to be played with 2 players. That's why it's not as engaging right now. Because I, first of all, haven't programmed it. I also don't have anyone to play it with. Oh. Discard. Let's discard you. What did the November say, right? Yeah. No, that's down. I can't do that. Okay, so let me see here. Capture you. Capture you. I need more cards. Yeah, give me November 20 actually. That's what that'll do. That'll be a set. For you, discard. Okay, so I get 4 points for one of suit of one kind. So now let's see what happens now. You. Okay, so don't get the suit for that. So that's progress at least. I didn't unfuck whatever I fucked before. Capture you. Sakura Cup. I can capture that with this. I should have captured that. That was a fool's errand. A fool's errand. Get rid of you. You're nothing. Capture you with this. And why don't I? That's December. Weird. I don't know why December has writing on it. Right. Weird. I assume there's a reason, but I just don't know. It's not weird. I'm weird for not knowing it, I suppose. Do I have 4 price? No. Go to you. Sure. Nope. Fuck. What is capturable here? I'm trying to think. On the board. March? Anything from March? Any marchers in the chat? Any marchers? Stupid joke. Such a bad joke. You can tell that I'm like almost 1 a.m. I'm like, oh, it is 1 a.m. Oh no. Stop. Is there any Februaries on the board? There is one. Sure, take February. My hand. Oh wait, what? Oh, okay. Which one's February? This one. Okay, so I could get a 10-point card combo, or I could get 4. So hopefully this goes up to 8. Chat. We're doing okay. Didn't go up to 8. Fuck. I think I just have the plus in the wrong place. I should have just Googled that rather than doing all this nonsense. I think it's plus just in the wrong place. I think it's just that way. I could score. Yep, that's fine. Equals. Yeah, that's fine. But I will say, chat, I probably will have to go to sleep eventually. So I do appreciate all the raiders. But is there anyone streaming that I could send y'all over to? That would, should be fun. Or does anyone in the chat have someone that they would like, send the raid over to? I don't have anyone super lined up. If anyone knows anyone could use it, give it a shout, because I think I'm kind of running out of steam here. Score. Add rounds 2 games. Like, have the score being kept now, hopefully. One thing I do need to do is that there's meant to be checks at the start of the game. I can't remember what they are. Yeah, if you're dealt 4 cards of the same suit, or if you're dealt 4 pairs of matching suits, you just kind of wipe the round and start over, I think, or you get points for it. You get points, depending on the rules. I think if it's on the board or something, it gets wiped. So I need to do that. I need to do that. I guess one thing I would like to do with the these are the different cheat cards. That's fine. I want the prefab. There we go. I'd like this to have an event. Already has one. Cool. On mouse hover. No. I guess on pointer enter be the correct thing. Yeah, on pointer enter. So if I guess let's say public void on hover. I guess probably on enter. More apt. Print. Test. I know this is going to do it for every card, which is not kind of what I want, but also it should help me with one of my issues later. Yeah, cool. So what I need now is I guess what I could do is the public pool is captured for now, false, and then when it gets captured, I'll just make it true. So capture I think is up here. Capture cards. Select the card from hand. Select the card from hand is captured. Goes through. Card captured. That is captured. Equals true. So now, what I just need to do is I need to add if on this. If is captured, then print. Right? Think that makes sense? I hope this makes sense. Because in my initiative tracker, which I make for D&D sometimes, or I've a decent amount of that time, but there's still a bit to do. So it shouldn't do this. I have like a drag function, but I don't really want that. Basically, I just want, like, if I capture here, what can I capture? Capture this. And let's say I captured this. I want it so that, there we go. I want it so that if you hover over it, like for example, if I wanted to see that card behind it, I couldn't. But if I hover over it, I wanted to be able to see it. Do you know what I mean? That's basically the idea. But now I can just to see what's captured. It doesn't show anything else. It just shows these ones if I enter them. So what I'll probably do is have it, I'll probably put a placeholder card in, pop that in its location and pop it out. So it'll be bigger. I don't know the best way to do that, but we shall see. I'm being hovered on. Yes, you're totally being hovered on. Okay. So, is there anything else quick that I can do, or shall I throw the stream over to someone else? Fix error. That's something I have to do. Yep, anything. Oh, that's a yeah. I need to, of course. The other issue right now is that if I guess if I just turn off the boxes, it's not as bad. I suppose I could just do this. Probably not the best way to do it, but if I just got rid of these, right? I don't need to leave the button. If I turn off these, no, I can toggle these ones. Or like, I guess if I turn off their images, it's not as bad. But like, for example, if I just discard loads of cards, this shifts loads, which with the grid on, it doesn't adjust for it. But maybe I just don't have the images on. Not sure. That's something I need to worry about another time. That's a UI kind of aesthetic thing rather than a mechanic issue. So I need to do the checks, which that's definitely I need something to do like that. But the issue with this is I need it to be obvious what just happened. I guess, right? I needed to like do a code routine so it waits so people can see. Oh, hey, Roberto, I can get points. Look at scriptable objects. I guess I could just have a screen pop up. That's fine. I did have this set. I have all the cards coming in as one big JSON list, and I might look at scriptable objects, but that's something further down the road. You don't draw again. Yeah, that's fine. I did that spacing thing. Add a select of the active. I don't know if this is necessary. I think you would just pick the highest value. There's no point in giving you. Maybe you should see the other options, but there's no point getting it. Do you know what I mean? Reducing what you can with the other. Yeah, so I kind of cleaned up YakuCheck a little bit. YakuCheck was a bit of a mess. Some of this code is very spaghetti-ified, but I'm slowly starting to make it a bit better. Like this is kind of a mess. I'm sure if there's a better way to do it. Basically, just checking all of these, making one big dictionary for them. I think that's probably the best I can do. But I think that's it, chat. I think I'm done for today. So, do we have any raid suggestions? If not, I will find someone. Let me see. Do I have any raid suggestions? Nope. Anyone streaming? Well, actually, now this is probably a little bit more of a, I guess, well-off streamer, I suppose. I don't know how you'd say that, but Dan Jones is streaming some Binding of Isaac, and they're good fun. They have a really cool D&D stream that if anyone wants to check out some D&D stuff, that's very chill. It's not like, oh, Critical Role is very fancy and stuff. Ember flowers have a special meaning to the Japanese. Interesting. Well, what's that meaning? Okay, well, I get us all loaded up for the old raid. But yeah, I'm gonna be throwing us over to, I think, because I'm Dan Jones, because I was watching his D&D stream and it was pretty fucking cool. It was very chill. It was good vibes. It was very silly. But thanks for buying everything, everyone. I really appreciate it. And all the raids. I'm gonna just get this loaded up now before I forget. I could throw us over to another Unity stream, but honestly, I'm too tired to go look for one. I'm too lazy. So Dan Jones. But yeah, check out Dan Jones if you like him. Give him a follow or whatever. It's up to you. It's all your choices. But thanks for dropping by, everyone, and thanks for the follows. Thanks for Ryuke for telling me that stuff about the Yakuza. That was pretty cool. I didn't realize any of that stuff. That was very fun. And hopefully you guys can catch another stream. I'll probably see you guys, some of you around. I imagine a lot of you from Jern's stream. Jern's a good lad. I'm going to give him another shout out. Because it was very nice of him to send the raid over here. I appreciate it. If you want some cool pirate stuff, check him out. I need to make actual commands for that. And yeah, so if anyone's around tomorrow, I'll probably be playing some Elden Ring, because I kind of Tuesdays and Thursdays I do work-ish stuff, and then the other days I just do some games. So if we continue some Elden Ring, I don't remember what I'm doing. I think I'm attacking Carrion Manor. I'm not sure. I think actually maybe Volcano Manor. I'm not sure. But yeah, and I'll probably be back on this next Tuesday. So if anyone wants specifically looking more Unity stuff, I'll probably be back on that. But we'll see. I kind of do random stuff on Tuesdays and Thursdays, so it is what it is. Oh, I should probably end my recording as well. I didn't think about that. I'm a fool.